Hey guys, Richard Oki here, and in this video I'm going to be revealing to you the 5 top offers that you should be running on Clickbank right now. Okay, so what does the average Joe do when they're on Clickbank? They put in a search on the marketplace and then they start looking for products, right? But you're not an average Joe. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can find top products, the top 5 products on Clickbank right now that you can run and start making profits on today, okay? Before I go into that, I just wanna let you know that if you are interested in affiliate marketing and you wanna make this into a real business, not just a dream, then make sure you check out our free training in the link in the description. I'll leave a link below. Make sure you check that out and I'll see you guys there. Anyway, now when it comes to finding offers on Clickbank, I'll tell you what everybody does, right? You're logged into Clickbank, you selected marketplace, maybe you've got maybe an offer in mind, I don't know, Ted Woodworking or something, who knows, or you're just like gonna go down this route and you're just going to go down by niche, right? I'm interested in green products, let me go ahead and select that. Okay, let's have a look here. All right, popularity. Oh, these offers are popular. Oh, gravity, blah blah blah. All right, this is okay, but this is not the best way for you to do it. All right, there is actually a tool and a website that super affiliates go to, and I'm revealing it today for you to actually find the best offers for Clickbank. All right, there's actually an algorithm that this particular website does to sort and filter various different Clickbank offers into one very neat tool. Okay, now I'm gonna head over there right now. So it's called CB Engine, so Clickbank Engine. And when it comes to finding offers on Clickbank, this is the only place you should be going to. Okay, as you can see here, in short, it's a huge library of blah 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 blah. This is where CB Engine comes in. So basically what they're saying here is that Clickbank has thousands of products, which is very true. But how do you find the gems? How do you find the golden nugget products that are going to, take you to that profit milestone where you're spending more time with your family, where you're able to travel, where you're able to, put your middle fingers up at your boss, whatever your goal is. You need to find good offers, good products to actually promote to get you there. All right, doesn't matter how good you are at affiliate marketing, if you're promoting crappy offers, you're never going to make things successful. And this is where CB Engine comes in. So this is cbengine.com. So this word, cbengine.com, that's where you want to head to. All right, now when it comes to finding the top offers, it really just depends on what you're considering as a top offer. Okay, so these are this will rank by top best new products, top best gains, top gravity, CB insider, CB reviews, blah blah blah. Okay, the next best thing that I would look at is recurring. All right, besides the 3 at the top. Okay, recurring for me is quite important. Now you may be asking, what does recurring mean? So recurring essentially is that some of the Clickbank offers actually provide rebills, which means that when somebody pays for the product, they may be on a subscription and they get charged again. And what the beautiful thing about Clickbank is that if that person is charged again, we receive a commission for that. All right, and that's super helpful if you have less cash flow and you only have like a small budget. At least next month you're guaranteed like a certain percentage of that traffic to reconvert, okay, based on the rebill rate for that particular offer. All right, now when it comes to finding the top 5 offers, typically I would suggest that you focus on top gravity products. All right, so let's go ahead and select top gravity there. And I'm actually going to pull up an official description for Clickbank Gravity, because a lot of people actually don't know what Clickbank Gravity actually means. There was a time when I didn't have a clue whatsoever what gravity actually meant, but I'm actually going to pull this up for you, the official description. All right, let's have a look here. there's actually so much tools that go alongside Clickbank, which indicates that the actual Clickbank search, etc., and the filtering system inside of Clickbank isn't the best for finding really good products. All right. So what is this? So I've got an official description. So we're gonna go into a really unnecessarily sciencey description, but hey, it's how it is. So Gravity, number of distinct affiliates who earned a commission by promoting the vendor's products during the past 12 weeks. All right, this is not an actual number of affiliates. For each affiliate, an amount of between 0.1 and 1 is added to the result, depending on when his or her last transaction occurred. Most recent transactions are given a higher value. So essentially, top Gravity products means that there are not only a lot of affiliates running these offers, but there are affiliates making money. It's not just about driving traffic, it's about affiliates actually earning commissions with these offers. So if you look at top Gravity products inside of CB Engine, we'll look at this top 5. So this Lipstop is number 1, Overnight Millionaire System number 2, and I'm going to go through each one in a moment. Cinderella Solution number 3, Hulky Diabetes number 4, His Secret Obsession 5, Custom Keto Diet 6, blah blah blah. All right. Now, what that means is there are a lot of affiliates who are running this offer and they're making money. Okay, same thing with that one, that one, and that one, and that one. So all of these offers here, there are a lot of affiliates running them and they're also making money, which is quite good, especially if you're a beginner. You want to focus on offers that people are making money on. And what is the best way of verifying that, you know, this is a stable offer? Having an offer that is not just making money for affiliates, but a lot of affiliates are making money off it too. All right, so that is the best kind of like low-hanging fruit type of offer for you to go to. Now, these are the top 5 offers that are doing well on Clickbank, and let's take a look at them. Let's have a look at Lipstop. Let's have a look. Lipstop. Okay, so how do I go to the site? All right, let's click this one. 5-second hack that kills food cravings. Let me switch my volume off just in case. So this is a health offer. To be fair, I've already seen this offer. Yeah, that's all I can say. This offer can make you a lot of money, just put it like that. This is a health offer, and it's actually sort of like pills. So it's supplements that people can purchase to help them, you know, burn fat, right? And you know, the health industry is a huge industry, and this offer is essentially tackling that in the best way according to Clickbank stats. Okay, in the sense that most affiliates are running health, making money off this specific offer. All right. And it's got an awesome VSL. I've watched the entire VSL. I almost got sold to buying that product. I didn't really almost get sold, but the VSL is really good. And you know, if you're in that market where you need to burn a lot of fat, it's very convincing, which is exactly what we want from our VSLs, because you know, if we're sending over our traffic that we've primed, etc., you want the VSL to be the final finishing move to get that person's credit card out of their wallet. All right, so that's Lipstop. This is the #1 offer, I would say, on Clickbank right now. All right, now let's have a look at this one. Overnight Millionaire System. So make money online is a very big niche in affiliate marketing, full stop. And you know, that's verified by the statistics inside of Clickbank. Like, this offer is doing awesome. Overnight Millionaire mind hack, secretly used by the rich and famous. All right, so you know, this, I don't know what this actually is. I haven't run this offer personally. Is it like, I don't know what this could be. I'm not sure if this is actually, wait, what is this? Because sometimes these offers can be like brain pills and stuff like that, but let's have a look. Okay, it's a system that turns people into millionaires. For £31, you can be a millionaire. But yeah, so this is basically maybe like a strategy, a system, a template, a blueprint that, you know, the product owner believes helps make people millionaires. and you know, people are buying this product. There's a lot of affiliates making money off this product. But I want to take a look at this product in a bit more detail. Actually, I'm just curious. And it's overnight millionaire. EPC is $2 per click on cold traffic. Over 250 affiliates are making daily sales, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool. It's not really a rebought offer. So it's kind of like a lower ticket for a Clickbank offer, but people are converting on it. So if you got a good way of driving traffic that is in the make money online niche, this would be a very good offer for you to run, okay? When it comes to Facebook ads, this is very dangerous territory because Facebook really does hate make money online. And it also hates health, but if you're very smart about how you run your ads, then you can run ads in a very compliant way, okay? Then we have Cinderella Solution. I know that this is a health as well, but I'll let you guys see what that is. So Cinderella Solution, this is the site. Cool. Yeah, so this is another health offer, similar to the Lipstop solution offer. However, this one is very, very tailored towards a female market. All right, regardless, even when you're running health full stop, excuse me, the female audience is a very big target market and they convert like hotcake. However, this offer has decided that, you know what, we're just going to double down on that target market and build a product tailored towards that niche. All right, and Cinderella Solution is you know, that product. Again, they have another VSL. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm excited. What's happening next? Okay, this is Carly. They're gonna walk for a story. Stories in the VSLs do really well. All right, they capture attention. Everybody loves stories, right? This is why you watch Netflix, you go to the cinema. You know, people want to consume stories. It's just the way that our brains work on a psychological level. So when you see VSLs that, you know, start off with a story, people are already hooked in. All right, it's on 3, 2, 1. You're anticipating what's going to happen next. You see this person overweight. If you're overweight and you're watching this video, you can relate to that person, and then there's a story about it. All right, and they're going to get this person on an emotional level, and I already know that's how it's going to work, because that's how good VSLs work. So if I look at some of the stats, let's look at SimilarWeb. Okay, can't really see SimilarWeb for this offer, but that's all good. But anyway, how one woman discovered the female fat loss code missed by modern medicine and lost 84 pounds using a simple 2-step ritual that 100% guarantees shocking daily weight loss. All right, it's a wild claim, extremely wild claim, but this is Clickbank, baby. You know, this is what happens. All right, cool. So that's like number 3, and it's doing well with Facebook. Yeah. So if you're wondering, you know, how Facebook hate weight loss, blah, blah, you're right. Facebook hate weight loss offers. But if you run it in the right way as a super affiliate, you can scale that to the moon without any issues. Trust me. All right. Billions of dollars are made every single year with weight loss on Facebook. So there's no reason why you can't be part of that pie as well. But you just need to be smart. You need to think smart. So this offer is doing, you know, pretty good. Again, the ticket value here isn't that great. $35, it's okay. However, if you are good at running ads, I'll tell you now, ignore all this shit. Ignore this $39, ignore this $35, okay? I'll tell you a secret, because all these offers have very good upsells, all right? And that increases the average order value, okay? So the average affiliate, maybe doing $35, but if I was running this offer, I'll be moving more towards the $70 mark, all right? $80 mark, $90 mark. Simply because the way that I run campaigns, I'll be increasing the average order value because I have sold the person very early on in the funnel. The VSL essentially is just allowing them to find out where to pay because I've already done the selling. And that's what you want to think about. You don't want to just drive traffic, just empty leads, just drive the traffic through and just rush them through. I would rather spend a bit more time with that person, massage them through the flow, and then they pay more because they're more convinced. They believe that this is priority. They have to do this now. Otherwise, big bad thing will happen. That's just sales, okay? Affiliate marketing is automated, online, scalable sales. And if you look at it in that way, then everything begins to reveal itself like magic, okay? So this offer is doing really good. And then we have this one, how key diabetes remedy. So unfortunately, diabetes is an epidemic that affects a lot of people. You know, a lot of people suffer with the illness. And then there's an offer on Clickbank that capitalizes on that, in the sense that, you know, there's a product that helps to, I guess, remove it or reduce it. I don't know, but there's going to be some wild claim around diabetes. But again, all these offers have been vetted by Clickbank. You know, Clickbank do vet the offers, so you can't be completely like, you know, just a fake pill. Well, but who knows? I'm not going to make a judgment on that. But we can see here, she was 30 minutes from a fatal diabetic coma until I discovered a simple 60-second habit that reverses my wife's type 2 diabetes. And not only did it reverse the type 2 diabetes, it melted 56 pounds of fat. And this is number 4 on Clickbank right now, which means that serious amounts of cash is being made every single month. Like you're looking at, you know, 500,000, you know, maybe even over $1 million on this one offer every single month, because the amount of, you know, money generated on Clickbank offers is more than you'll ever imagine, more than you'll ever think, right? You've got serious amounts of super affiliates running big traffic to these offers. So, you know, this offer is doing really well. And again, what do we see? Consistency, a VSL, all right? A VSL, and it's probably a story style VSL, okay? Talking about somebody's wife or whatever. Again, when you're looking at good VSLs, they will tell a story, because stories hook people. It's you know, good part of marketing, and you want to make sure that your VSL is hooking people as well. All right, that's very, very important. Now let's look at the final offer on here. So his secret obsession. All right. So this offer is geared towards, I believe it's a female audience. Let's have a look. You know, I think, yeah, female cold traffic. You know, your husband cheated on you, something like that. Here's how you can win him back or get his boyfriend, or I don't know. It's one of those sort of offers where women can increase their, I don't know, their sexual magnet towards men or something like that. Basically, if women are struggling to get like eyeballs from dudes, this offer is selling them the tricks to get into a man's mind, essentially. And again, this offer is doing really well. Kind of a scary thing that this offer is doing so good. We spent over 973,000 testing cold traffic to make this high converting offer, blah blah blah. Some solid EPCs, $2.5 to $5. So it's doing really good. The initial sale isn't that bad. But yeah, this offer is doing pretty good. So if you have a way of generating traffic for females that are looking for like help, you know, when it comes to dating, or when it comes to, you know, even just personal development, because they could be in that niche as well, then this is a really good offer to run. So these are the top 5 offers on Clickbank right now, at least according to Gravity on CB Engine. I would suggest take a look at CB Engine, play around with all the different options like best gains, new products, recurring. That reveals a lot of information to you in terms of what you want to do when you're running Clickbank offers and choosing a good offer to run. Okay, so make sure you check out this site. Take your business seriously. You know, you're going to war every time you run a campaign of affiliate marketing. So make sure you have the best artillery in place to win that battle. All right. So, you know, if you enjoy this video and, you know, you want to take things to the next level with affiliate marketing, you want to learn, you know, how we build out campaigns internally in more detail, and you want to understand, you know, what is the thing that might be missing in your campaigns to help make you a consistent, steady flow of income, whether you want to make $2,000, an extra $2,000 a month, $10,000, $50,000, whatever it might be in terms of your personal goal. if you want to try and achieve that, make sure you check out the free training in the link in the description below, okay? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you drop a comment below in terms of what you may want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.